Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is January 3rd, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have a big day out here today. You have the futures down 21.5 points. Yesterday, the markets were able to overcome the big decline in the futures. Today, we'll see what happens. Right now, futures have been rapidly moving higher, but they're still down 21.5 points. So again, the big news out here is Apple. They warned about Q1. Looks like they cut everything across the board, and you're going to see the stock is getting absolutely annihilated this morning. Right now, Apple trading at 144.41, closed at 157.92. That's about a 13.5 point decline for Apple this morning. So again, this is definitely weighing on the NASDAQ, which is getting pounded. NASDAQ futures are getting crushed this morning, even though they are off their worst levels. So we'll be watching this pretty closely. And again, we'll be watching Apple pretty closely. Now, in sympathy to Apple, you have lots of stocks out here that are also in play. Right off the bat, you got to think of Skyworks. That is getting hit. That's trading at 64.41. You got to look at Cirrus Logic, CRUS. That right now is trading at around $32, closed at $34.26. You have QRVO, that's QRVO. That right now is trading at 58 bucks. That closed yesterday at $61.19. You also have a few others out here. LITE is a ticker symbol here, and this is trading at 38.75, closed at 42.59. You're also going to have Broadcom, AVGO. This is right now trading at 243, closed at 253.45, and also OLED. This could be affected. This is trading at 86.99, closed at 91.15, and there are many others out here too. So you want to watch all of these stocks in the Apple ecosystem. They could all be in play today. We'll go over it. We'll talk about Apple once the opening bell rings. We'll see what levels we have out here. Next up, I want to talk about Celgene. Celgene is being acquired by BristolMyers. So Celgene trading at $66.65 yesterday at the close. Now trading at $89.19. It looks like they're going to be bought out for $102.43 a share. I believe it's going to be stock and cash. So again, Celgene being bought out by BristolMyers. If you own it, congratulations, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. There's nothing really to do here. Let's take a look at BristolMyers. That is getting a little bit of a bid off its lows. Did sell off initially down to 44 bucks, now trading at around $48. Stock closed at 52.43. So we'll be keeping an eye on this one today. This is a big biotech merger, though, so we'll see how it all plays out. In sympathy, you want to keep on the board Gilead. Gilead Sciences right now trading at 65.43. That's trading up a little bit in sympathy. This is another beaten down biotech that could come into the takeover space at some point. So again, Gilead now in play as a potential takeover target as well. Nobody really expected Celgene to be bought by BristolMyers. So again, it's going to be quite something to see. Now let's talk quickly about the FANG names out here today. You're going to have Netflix trading lower. Well, actually, Netflix is basically flat. So that's a nice little pop higher for Netflix here. I thought that was going to get hit. Let's take a look at Google today. Google right now trading at 10.48, closed at 10.55 yesterday. So Google under a little bit of pressure. We also want to take a look this morning at Facebook. Facebook this morning is trading at 134.41. So these stocks aren't getting really hit that bad. Facebook did close at 135.68. They're doing a lot better than initially thought. So we'll keep an eye on them and we'll see how they play out today. But it's all about Apple. It's all about that ecosystem. It's all about how much does the market put into the China trade wars, and we'll see where we go from there. Next up, I want to talk about the gold market. Gold is getting a bid this morning up about $5.60 to $1,289 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, good ETF to track the movement in gold. You'll see that's trading at 121.76, up a little bit from 121.32 at the close. We also have crude oil today up 74 cents to $47.28 a barrel. So crude on the move today, and that's certainly going to help the markets as well. Crude right now, if you look at the USO, trading at $9.98, and again, spot crude up 70 cents to $47.24 a barrel. If you haven't done so this year, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2018. We're going to look to have a great 2019. Volatility should be back in full force today. And again, we got Apple in play, as well as all of the Apple stocks that are in their ecosystem. And some biotechs will be in play today, and a lot more. So again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Like I said, 2018 was a blockbuster year, and we're going to look to keep that going right into 2019. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.